affected include Chandler and Moore Station. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Smith County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Wood County in northeastern Texas, southwestern Upshur County in northeastern Texas until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Hawkins, or 10 miles northeast of Tyler, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hawkins around 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Big Sandy around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Gladewater around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. West Mountain around 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. East Mountain around 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Red Springs, Union Grove, Pritchett, Winona, and Warren City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.